They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ambition Rights. So today I'm going to be showing you how I take out my protective style and how I treat my hair after, because honestly your hair care after a protective style is super duper important. Your hair tends to be more dry, matted, hard to detangle, like you need to get that moisture back. So I'm about to show you the steps that I do to ensure that I'm good after a protective style. Alright, so I didn't film this particular protective style, however I do have two crochet faux lock videos on my channel, so I will leave them on the screen and also in the description bar. I got this hair from Amazon and I really do like it because it's an ombre effect, as you can see. So I'm just going to put the hair in a plastic bag because I am going to be reusing it. Ain't nobody wasting hair. You just wash the hair over in shampoo or like a little bit of apple cider vinegar and it's fine to be reused. So I just wanted to show you guys what my braiding pattern looked like. I did the individual method in the front and my hair feels super soft. Y'all, I could not wait to get braids on my hair. Time to get the hair back in shape. I will say though, my hair feels really soft. The products that I used really helped my hair stay hydrated. But anyways, so I'm going to be using my Curls and Potions Cheb Clay Gloss. It's a length retention and conditioning pre-treatment. And so I have to also clarify. So I'm going to be using my Palmer's Natural Fusions Micellar Rose Water Cleanser. Also using my Product Drinking Naturals Pumpkin Mint Crush Scalp Scrub. I really need to get the scalp scrubbed, so like my edges, make sure all of the dirt and debris from like a protective style is out. I'm going to be using my Miche Beauty Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner. This is a protein and moisturizing one. Let's get it started. Let's get it started, yeah. Alright guys, so we're starting off with the Cheb Clay Gloss first, and as you can see I have gloves on because it's a very messy process, so make sure you have gloves, a towel on, something on the rug or on your floor to make sure it doesn't mess up the floors, because I learned the hard way. But anyway, so this stuff is such an amazing product. The product aids in length and moisture retention. It also detoxifies my hair and removes impurities caused by toxins, so I love to use this as a pre-treatment because it really aids in my length retention, like for real. If you haven't seen this video, then go ahead and check that out. But anyway, so as you see, I'm pulling out shed hair because after protective style you're gonna have a whole bunch of shed hair. Don't be scared, it happens. Making sure that I'm applying it to every strand of my hair, covering it completely. Like I said, it's a very messy process, so just make sure you're taking your time, and also make sure you don't get too close to your scalp. It actually says to not, so as you can see, like I leave like about an inch or two away from my scalp, and I left this on for about, I wouldn't say 2 hours. It's recommended to leave on for 30 minutes to up to 4 hours. Don't exceed 4 hours. So I kind of just put it up in a bun and I was just around my house for about 2 hours. Okay, so now I'm washing it out. First of all, I'm sorry I'm out of frame. Bae set up the camera and I guess he didn't want all my goodies showing. But anyways, so I'm kind of saying right here that my hair is super soft while washing it out. Again, it's a messy process, so be careful. So now I'm going to be using the Product Drinking Naturals Pumpkin Mint Scrub. It has Himalayan salt in it, so please be careful with your eyes. Make sure it doesn't get into your eyes or anything because it does burn. Again, a lesson learned. I'm really focusing this product on my edges, where all like the dirt and debris was. I used a few edge control. So yeah. So now I'm going to be using the micellar shampoo. So it has micellar technology to clean hair and scalp of impurities and buildup. Again, as you see, I'm using a lot of products that removes impurities and buildup because that's important after protective style. And I will note that this shampoo does not strip my hair at all. It's actually still quite moisturizing. And now I'm going to be deep conditioning with my Strengthening and Protein Deep Conditioner from Miche Beauty. And it's a protein and moisture balance, which is super important when you are coming out of protective style. So it helps to reduce breakage, it nourishes and improves hair elasticity. So I'm going to be putting a whole bunch of that on my hair and detangling first with the comb and then after with a brush to really make sure all the shed hair is out. and to really make sure all the product is in my hair. Alright, so my camera actually died when I was applying the deep conditioner, so I couldn't really show you guys how I did it. But I just applied deep conditioner, and then I put my hair into twists. It says recommended to sit for like 10 to 20 minutes, but I'm about to put my heat cap on. I'm going to put this in the microwave for a minute or two and kind of put some heat on this for about 25 minutes. I'm about to make some tacos. So yeah, I'm about to. So this is what my hair looks like after I washed out the deep conditioner. As you can see, my curls are popping. My hair looks really good. What I didn't show you guys was that I actually trimmed a little bit of my ends. That's very common after protective style, that I feel like your ends feel a little dry and frayed. So that is what I did. And what I'm going to be doing here now is applying my Alekin Naturals leave-in conditioner all over my hair. This is the time where you just continue with your moisturizing step and style step. Okay, so as I let my leave-in conditioner sit, it lets it like penetrate and, you know, get up on in there and all soft and everything. And then you could continue with your routine, whatever hairstyle you want to do. I'm going to end up doing a twist out. So I hope this video helped you kind of figure out how to rebalance your hair after a protective style, how to get that softness back, how to get that shine, that moisture, all that good stuff. And so, if you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button if you're not part of my family. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.